Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Rebecca, and today's video is going to be a baking video. So today I'm going to be baking brownies from scratch. Sophia is over there. So we're going to get started. So first you need 1 cup of butter melted. So I have a bowl here. It's glass. Half a cup is 8 tablespoons, so I need both of these. So, unwrap them here. I put it in here just to make sure it was 1 cup. So I'll pour that back into my bowl. Then 4 eggs. Can I crack one? You can crack. Stir that. Now I'm going to get started on the dry ingredients. 2 cups of sugar. 1 cup. Half a cup of cocoa powder.
Every single part out.
Okay, so it says half a teaspoon, but this measuring thing only has 1 teaspoon option available, so I'm just gonna fill that about half full of baking powder. Oh wait, I didn't add my flour. 1.5 cups of flour. 1 cup. Half cup. And now for the baking soda. Let's say that's about half. Salty. Alright, and that's all the dry and all the wet ingredients. So, I poured my wet ingredients into this bigger bowl. All my dry ingredients are in here, and I'm gonna just mix up the dry ingredients and slowly add them in. I'm gonna whisk this. Now that it's in a big bowl, I can actually whisk.
This song to get started.
There's tractors outside working outside my house, so you can just hear it going. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350. And I'm using vegetable oil because we don't have pan, and this is the pan I'm using. Pushing it up real good.
This is a workout, guys. I did it all myself.
We did it. This is good. Poured in. That's the great thing about this tub is it has a little thing for pouring. Get a close up. So it was really easy. This recipe I thought was really easy to everything just mixed well together, and Sophia only mixed it for 5 minutes and it blended up really well. So I would recommend it, but we are going to see how it tastes. Okay, so here we go. Forgot about that video until just now when I found it in my camera roll, so I was editing it and then realized I never finished it. So this is me finishing it. I think I set a timer for 20 minutes, and then every couple of minutes I checked and with a toothpick. So I think total I cooked it probably 35 to 40 minutes. So if I were you and if I were to remake this recipe, I would probably just set a timer for 30 minutes and then check it every 2 or 3 minutes. But afterwards, I let them cool off for a few minutes and then ate it with a glass of milk. I really liked it. Sophie really liked it. Afterwards, I put it in a container and it stayed good for a couple days and probably longer, but that's just when I finished eating them. I 10 out of 10 recommend. It was super good. And if you guys want me to do more videos that are baking or cooking, please comment below, or if there's special recipes you'd like me to try, just leave the link in the comments. But yeah, that's it. Bye guys.